Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone had a wonderful, happy Easter with family and friends. So, yesterday guys, I went to get some dinner and I decided to stop at Hobby Lobby. Well, guess what? They had the paintings, Diamond Dotz paintings, 40% off. So I saw this one and I said, oh my God, this is gorgeous. And since it was 40% off, the original price was $42.99 and I got it for $25.79. So wonderful price. Okay, this was called Cherry Blossoms and Chickadees by Diamond Dotz. Okay. In the side, it just basically gives you a little bit of a, here they show you the design because this is a partial. Okay, and then on this side, it shows you also the picture, but the white area is where there's not going to be any drills. Okay, and then in the back, it tells you how it works step by step and what's inside the kit. Okay, so let's look at it. Let's open this baby up. All right. So I wanted to look up chickadees and the bird chickadee, and they are super cute, guys. They're very cute birdies. All right, and they are known, they have an oversized round head. When I read that, I said, oh, sounds like me. Big head. But anyway, okay, so these are the drills. Let's put that aside. And I guess, look, Diamond Dotz also comes in a nice bag to protect it. And it says, add some sparkle to your world. Let's open this up. And I believe their canvas, the fabric, doesn't feel soft. Feels a little rough, but it's made out of a fabric that is wrinkle and crease free, which is good. Okay, and as you can see on the sides also, it's crimped. So it has crimped edges to avoid fraying. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna unroll it. Got some information in here. Wow, look at the instructions. This is huge. Mamma mia. Oh my gosh. I guess because it's got every language that you can think of, guys. That's cool. Look at this. Look how big this is. Wow. It comes in every language. Well, not every language, but a lot of languages. Which is very nice. So you have English, French, Spanish, yeah, and so on. Okay, so let's move this out of the way. Okay, so let's look this, and I'm gonna unroll it, and you can do this because of the fabric. It's wrinkle and crease free. It's gonna be a little, but I'm sure that if you lay it flat, it'll straighten out. Okay, before I unroll it, here at the bottom, it tells you also, it's by Diamond Dotz. It's called Cherry Blossoms and Chickadees. The design size is 42 centimeters by 52 centimeters, which is 16.5 inches by 20.5 inches. Okay, that's just where the painting is, the design size. And then the fabric is including this. So the fabric size is 50 by 60 centimeters, which is 19.7 inches by 23.6 inches. Okay, look at how beautiful, guys. Let's see, I'm going to remove the glare. Okay, it is a partial. I know. Wish this was all full drill, but it isn't. But you have these beautiful, of course, cherry blossoms. And look at the light bulbs. And then, of course, the chickadees. It's a couple, right? Yeah, there's just two chickadees. As I mentioned before, they have like these round heads. And so they have like an oversized round head. And they have a tiny body and curiosity about everything, including humans. You can find these in the backyard and you go to track them with feeding them. So, yeah, absolutely gorgeous. So you can see this part here. This is no drills. It's just free drills. You don't place drills. The drills are going to go on the birdies, on the cherry blossoms, on the leaves, on the branches, and on the light bulbs. Okay, so the thing, okay, so if you look at it, it's got two legends. So you got one on the left on the upper hand side and one on the bottom on the right hand side. And the thing with the DMC, they use their own matching DMC colors. Okay, so basically if you want to do the DMC conversion, you can go, I believe you can download the conversion chart. And if you go into diamonddotz.com / Diamond Dotz freestyle. An example would be the DMC for black is usually 310, right? And for Diamond Dotz, the black is not a 310. It's actually 8001. So it's a different number, different conversion chart, okay? So as you can see over here, you see the numbers, totally different, all in the 8,000s and down here in the 5,000s. And then you have, of course, the symbols in the middle, and the symbols is what you're going to find in the painting. And it says serial numbers, so I guess these are just the numbers, see, 1 through 37. So it basically tells you there's 37 colors. I have no idea how many ABs this has, but I guess when we look at the drills, we will find out. I just hope there are ABs in the light bulbs. I'm sure there are. It has to be, right? And if there isn't, we can do that. Okay, so let's look at the drills. Let's open this up. Sorry about the noise. So let's see. This is their toolkit. Let's open this up. So it comes with resealable bags. And I guess just in case if you're traveling or if you don't have the containers around, you could put the drills in here. And it comes with Diamond Dotz, some wax in a little container. And it's got a diamond pen and it's got a comfort grip, which is cool. Okay, just in case if you have arthritis or this helps with your hands. Okay. And then of course it's got two placers. Actually, well, this is a placer and this is a straightener. I love the straighteners. And this is a nice gray tray. It's like a dark gray. All right, so let's see. And these, I believe, are in alphabetical order. Oh, I see a AB there. Okay, let's see if I can open it in order so we will make a mess. Let's see. Okay, here we have number 1. As you can see, they're labeled 1, 2, 3. So they're in order. Okay, so let's just look at the colors very quickly here. And I'm going to bring the light back here so we can see the colors better. So we have a very, very pretty red. This is like a peach color or coral or salmon. And you have some black. Yeah, you see 8001. This is a 310. Then you have grays, some browns. Okay. And some green, very pretty green, probably for the leaves. Some grays, browns, and the browns are probably for the branches, and more greens. And then over here, this is like a hunter green, maybe. All these are browns. Well, actually, this is probably like a blue, like a really, really dark blue. Then you have some browns, some chocolate. That's what it looks like. Wow, look how pretty these colors are, guys. Isn't that pretty? And some, that's a gray. That's actually a gray. So far, I see, okay, there's 2 ABs. All right, so you got yellow. It's like a peachy color. Some, I guess, in the red family. Some cocoa, maybe. And here we have the 2 ABs. So you have a green. Let's cut this out so we can find them in the painting. Why not, right? So I'm going to move all these beautiful colors aside so we can look at the ABs. It only has 2 ABs, but that's nothing because it hasn't stopped us before, right? We could add crystals, we could add sparklers, we could even add glow. Oh, glow, guys, to the light bulbs. Sure. And I get my ABs and my crystals and all that from DP with sparklers from Tmall. Okay, so let's see. According to this, this is 5008, which is this symbol here. Aha, let's see. It's not down. Oh, there's some here. There's some down here, so that's the leaves. And let's see. Is that it? Yeah. Okay. That's why there's so little of it. And then this one is, according to this is 5001. 5001 is just the dots. And of course it is the light bulbs. So the light bulbs are going to be lit, guys. Okay. Some there. Let's see if we see it. Oh, there's some on the flowers and the cherry blossoms. And do we have some on the birds? We do. And the birds, oh, the bird's going to be shiny. So really, really pretty, guys. Yeah, that's all they have for ABs, but you could actually add some more. So we have ABs on the leaves, on the flowers, and the light bulbs, and the birds. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I don't know if that light is bothering you, you guys. No, that's too dark, right? I think I need better lighting. What do you think, guys? If you know of a better lighting, please suggest, because I have no idea. I have all these lights around me and it causes glare. All right, so I just wanted to share this beautiful painting. As soon as I saw it, I just said, oh my God, it's just gorgeous and great price. I don't know if the sale is still on, but they were 40%, and they also have 40% Diamond Art Club there too also, guys. So anyway, that's all I wanted to share. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night. Thank you, and bye-bye.